Hello guys, welcome back. We came with another exciting opportunity for the students as well as the faculty, those who are working in AICTE affiliated institutions. That means from engineering stream as well as from diploma stream, those who are working in engineering as well as the diploma streams. So for them, there is an exciting opportunity from Government of India. The program name is Center for Engineering Education Excellence Program in association with Indian National Academy of Engineering. Here, before going to the actual content, let us understand the real-time scenario of the engineering study. As we all know, the India is the fifth largest economy in the world, but in terms of digitalization and in terms of technical education, we are not that much strong. So for that, the government of India initiated the program called Vikasit Bharat 2047. So by 2047, India should be in top in terms of digitalization as well as the technical education. To achieve Vikasit Bharat 2047, we are facing multiple challenges in the areas of energy, environment, transportation, security, defense, and health. Most of these challenges has to be addressed by the students from the engineering branches. So India is also the rank top in terms of youngest population. So for that, we need to ensure the appropriate education and the skilling of its youth to improve the quality of education and to upskill the youth. The number of candidates, those are passing every year from the engineering stream, almost 1 million seats are offered annually by the engineering degree programs across the India in more than 300 institutions which are approved by AICTE as well as UGC or the Ministry of Education. But when we come to the quality of education, it is not meeting the standards of the industry. So for that, the government of India want to upskill the knowledge of the students as well as the faculty, those who are teaching for that particular students. So the faculty is also one of the major pillar. The government of India want to upskill the knowledge levels for the faculty also. The main aim of this program is to enhance the competence of engineering educators. And for that, so the Indian National Academy of Engineering is a non-profit organization which consisting of 1,000 fellows or 1,000 eminent persons from India, 100 from abroad, from various disciplines like academia, industry, R&D organizations. So the Indian National Academy of Engineering is a group which consisting of 1,000 eminent persons from India and 100 eminent persons from abroad from various disciplines like academia, industry, R&D organizations. And this particular Indian National Academy of Engineering is partnered with Infosys Foundation, as we know, which is the leader in developing IT products. So these two organizations are combinedly working on this program to enhance the skills of the students as well as the faculty. This particular program, CEEE program, is mainly focusing on the Tier 3 and Tier 4 institutions accredited by AICTE. That is, this particular program they are going to implement on Tier 3 as well as Tier 4 institutions which are accredited by AICTE. So for this, they signed an MOU with Infosys Foundation. They are going to spend almost 38.35 crores in next few years. That is, in next 3 years, they are going to spend 38.35 crores to improve the quality of the education. So there are the various links here. You can go through all these things. When we open the flyer, there are multiple domains are there. So any one of the domain we can choose here. In domain 1, computer science and IT related field, which including data science as well as AML. To domain 2, core branches like electrical and electronics instrumentation. Domain 3, mechanical, aerospace as well as energy. Domain 4, material, chemical and biomedical. When we come to the key highlights here, focusing on the core engineering domains, as we said now, there are 5 domains are there. And this mentorship is going to be offered in a hybrid format, on-site as well as the virtual mode. So in-person mentorship will be for the duration of 2 weeks, which will be going to be happened in the month of May to July every year. In the case of virtual mentorship, the internship duration may be 2 to 3 weeks here. In general, they are going to organize this kind of internship in the December month. And these are the regional centers where the training is going to be provided for the faculty. North side IIT Delhi, south side IIT Madras, east side IIT Kharagpur, west side IIT Bombay, and central IIT Kanpur. So these are the various nodal centers which are working with Infosys as well as the INAE. So benefits. Those who are attending this program will get a stipend of 50,000 per person, so which will cover travel, stay, and daily allowances. So after completion of the program, the attendees are going to get a certificate also. The main objective of this program is to enhance the teaching capability of the faculty members from Tier 3 as well as Tier 4 engineering institutions. The aim is to upgrade engineering education through adoption of modern pedagogy materials and training techniques. And the duration, they are going to organize the same program from 24-25 to 27-28. 3 academic years they are going to organize this program. Target group, the faculty teaching the fundamental subjects like second year, third year, and fourth year. And there are 5 domains, as I said. Now, if you're interested to take training from eminent persons in these domains, you can apply for this particular program. From computer science and information technology, so these are the subdomains: data structures and algorithms, theory of computing, computer organization, architecture, machine learning, and operating system. In the case of electrical, electronics, and instrumentation, circuit theory, signals and systems, analog electronics, electrical machines, and control and instrumentation. In the case of mechanical, thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, mechanics and deformable solids, manufacturing, and basics of energy. In the case of civil, environmental engineering, structural engineering, geotechnical, water sources, and transportation engineering. In the case of materials, introduction to chemical engineering, engineering thermodynamics, fluid flow, heat transfer, and chemical reaction. So these are the subdomains. Anybody interested to take training in these subdomains, then definitely you can apply for this particular program if you are eligible. When we come to the eligibility, must be a faculty member of Tier 3 or Tier 4 engineering institutions approved by AICTE, and we need to have minimum 3 years of experience. Then we need to have a letter from the institution to apply for this particular program. So if you are interested to apply, we need to get endorsement by the sponsored institute or nomination by the mentor. Anyone is required here. When we come to the timeline here, though this form will be opened up in the first week of May, already opened here. Then results will be announced after completion of the deadline is not specified here. Apply as early as possible. The selected candidates will be notified by the email. If you are interested, there is a link called apply here. When we click on this, it will open one Word format, and here there is a link. When we click on this link, this particular form is going to be opened. Check all these details. Then fill the mail ID, name, present designation, date of birth, gender, nationality, mobile number, and name of the college where you are working, highest qualification, and year of obtaining the highest qualification, and area, in which domain you are interested. Select any one of these domains. Then subdomain. So from these subdomains, choose any one of the domain and fill here. Then experience in teaching, AICTE college, permanent address. So based on the region, select the appropriate IIT which is near to you. Then second option also you can give. Number of seats are filled in the first option, then you may be allotted for the second option which you are selecting. Then official address, institute AICTE ID. If you don't know, then click on this link here so that you will be getting the ID of your institution. Bank account first page to deposit the stipend of 50,000, and resume you need to upload. Then nomination letter or NOC from your institution. Then declaration I agree. Then submit. So you may be shortlisted based on the details filled in the form. So if you are shortlisted, you are going to get the mail from the Infosys Foundation or INAE. That's all for now. If you have any queries, simply comment on me so that I'll try to reply. Thank you. All the best.